Getting your trailer brake controller installed should not require cutting wires, guessing connections, or spending hours under the dashboard. This Tekonsha 3040 brake control wiring adapter is designed to make installation simple, clean, and reliable, even for first-time users. If your brake controller supports a built-in wiring port, this adapter allows you to connect everything quickly and confidently using a true plug-and-play solution. Engineered as a two-plug wiring harness, this adapter connects directly between the brake controller and the factory brake control port in your vehicle. One end plugs into the back of the brake controller, while the other end connects to the vehicle's pre-wired port, eliminating the need for splicing or additional electrical work. Brake controllers that use this style of connection are clearly identified with the plug-and-play logo, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Installation is straightforward and typically takes only minutes. Simply locate the factory harness port in your vehicle, often found behind a kick panel or under the dash, plug in the adapter, and you are ready to go. This clean connection helps maintain the integrity of your vehicle's original wiring while delivering dependable power and signal transfer to the brake controller. Drivers appreciate this adapter for its accuracy and convenience, especially when installing brake controllers in vehicles such as full-size SUVs and trucks that are already factory-equipped for towing. The design ensures a secure fit, reduces installation errors, and provides consistent performance when towing trailers equipped with electric brakes. Manufactured by Tekonsha, a trusted name in towing electronics, this wiring adapter reflects the brand's focus on quality, safety, and user-friendly design. It is an ideal choice for anyone upgrading or replacing a brake controller and wanting a professional result without professional labor. If you want to save time and avoid unnecessary wiring hassles, this brake control wiring adapter is a smart and practical upgrade. Click the link in the video description to check current availability and pricing, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful towing accessories and installation tips.